This is video 6. Change, change. Vietnam is changing every day, every day. Vietnam is changing every day. Language, language. English is an international language, language. English is an international language. Memory, memory. I have a good memory. I have a good memory. Number, number. Can you give me your telephone number? Can you give me your telephone number? Wrong, wrong. Is there anything wrong? Is there anything wrong? Learn, learn, learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. Welcome, welcome, welcome to your us. Welcome to yours. Yeah. Yesterday, I arrived. Yesterday, morning. I arrived yesterday morning. Thank you very much and goodbye.